Hi guys. Last week we went over how to read and understand graphs. So this week we are going to fill in the graph ourselves with the information that it gives us. Okay, so this one says that a class took a survey. They made tallies to show what they liked. So we need to count how many tallies there are of each object. So for the starfish, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people liked them in all. 7 kids liked the starfish. For the seahorse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 liked these seahorses. Then we have the fish, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 kids liked the fish. And then we have looks like a dolphin or a whale. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 liked the dolphin. Okay? So that was number 1. We did that. So now number 2 says to color the graph to show the tallies. So this is where we're going to fill out the graph ourselves. So over here is where we have the graph, and it says see animals we like. That's what the graph is titled. And then it has all of the sea animals down here, the starfish, the seahorse, the fish, and the whale. Okay? And then it has numbers on the side. 0 at the bottom, which means there would be no squares colored in. Then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it goes all the way up to 8. So for the starfish, we need to come over here and see how many liked starfish. So there's the starfish, and it says 7. So what we need to do, we need to come to the starfish and color in all the way up to the 7, because that's how many kids voted for the starfish. So I'm going to color in 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, easy as that. Now the next animal is the seahorse. So let's see how many said they liked seahorse. There it is. It says 8. So this time I need to color 8 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next one is the fish. So we come over to the fish, and we said there was 5 that liked the fish. So we'll color in 5 squares this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now the last one, the dolphin. So let's come over here. It says that there are 6 that voted dolphin, so we will color in 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now that we've finished filling in our graph here, now we can come down to number 3 to the questions. So number 3 says, how many more seahorses are there than starfish? How many more? We know when we were doing our word problems that if the question said how many more, that meant we needed to subtract. So it wants to know how many more seahorses than starfish. So let's go to the seahorse up here. There's the seahorse, and there's 8. So we're going to write 8 down here. So 8 minus the starfish. Let's see how many starfish we have. 7. So 8 minus 7 equals 1. So there is 1 more seahorse than starfish. Okay? Number 4 says, how many fewer fish are there than the dolphins? How many fewer? So that also means that we're going to subtract. Now, one thing we need to remember when we're subtracting, the biggest number always goes first. So let's see how many fish we have. We have 5 fish, and the dolphins we have 6. So we know we're going to subtract. Biggest number goes first. So we're going to do 6 minus 5. So 6 minus 5 equals 1. So there's 1 fewer fish than the dolphin. Okay? Now number 5 says how many more seahorses are there than fish? So let's see how many seahorses. We have 8 seahorses, so we're going to write 8 minus the fish, and there are 5 fish. So 8 minus 5 equals 3. So there are 3 more seahorses than there are fish. Okay? So that's how you will fill out your graph and then answer the questions. You're going to have a couple of pages like this throughout the week that you're going to do on your own at home. So I hope that this helps you to understand a little bit better. You can use this video while you're working on your other ones if you need help to remind yourself on how to do it, okay? And if you have any questions, let me know. Let your parents know, and I will get on Zoom with you, or I can send you pictures of what you need help with. Okay, guys? All right, bye.